Okay, salut les filles. Okay, so first thing I want you to have a look at today, ce que je veux faire. What I want you to do is I want you to go to page 153, page 153. Okay, I want you to go to page 153, and the first thing I've got is this listing here. Okay, I have attached the file on this, so if you just click on it, it should play. So I want you to answer these 6 questions. Okay, so Antoine est élève au collège. So Anton is a student at school. At the second school, Jules Ferry at Dijon, and Dijon, il parle de son collège. He talks about his school. Écoute l'audio, listen to the audio, et répond aux questions suivantes. So I want you to just click play on it, stop and start as many times as you want, and then you can just answer those 6 questions. Okay. The audio you can play as many times. Like so that's the first thing I want you to do. Okay. Yeah. Okay. The second thing I want you to do is we're just going to have a look at a few of these words. Okay. So these signs like les équipements d'un collège. So here is like some of the school facilities. Équipement here is a way of saying facilities. Dans un collège, so in the school, so équipement is facilities. Okay, you want to make a note of that there. Okay, équipement, the facilities. All right. First one we've got here is la cour. La cour is a way of saying the yard. Okay, la cour is the yard. Okay, so just you want to make a note of that. Next one we've seen is la piscine. We don't have too many of these now. Is it the pool? La piscine, the pool. We also have la cantine, which is the canteen. Okay, la bibliothèque is the library. Okay, then we've got la laboratoire, so that's your laboratory or your science lab. Okay, le gymnase is your gym. L'infirmerie. L'infirmerie is like your sick bay or where you go to see the nurse or this. Okay, bien. La salle d'informatique. So the salle, so we know informatique is the subject for this computer. So the salle d'informatique is your computer's room. Comp room. Okay. Then we've got les vestiaires. So that is your changing room. Okay. And then we've got le court de tennis is your tennis court. Okay. So just have maybe note those down in your copies, the vocabulary. So we've got like la cour, la piscine, la cantine, les labos, l'infirmier, la bibliothèque, la salle d'informatique, les vestiaires, les cours de tennis. So match those into here. If you want to match them to this grid, here, put them into this grid. So like 1, so 1's la cour, that matches with C. 2 is probably the gymnase, so that's going to match with F. So just match them in and put the vocab into your copies as well, okay? Last thing I want you to have a look at is we're going to have a look at this comprehension here. Mon collège, okay? So my school, okay? So mon collège is my school, all right? So we're just going to have a look at we'll have a quickly highlight some vocab that's important for EC, okay? So first thing I want you to know is a situé. Situé means it's situated. En plein centre-ville means like right in the city center, okay? City center. C'est un collège de taille moyenne. So taille here is size. Moyen is literally how you say average. Okay, de taille moyenne. Okay. I just want to make a note here of 2 things. So terrain de foot. Your terrain de foot is your sports pitch. Le terrain de foot is your sports pitch, okay? Nous avons ici un gymnase, okay? Mais les vestiaires, so the change room est toujours en disorder. I want you to make clear, is always like a mess. Really messy, disorganized, okay? La salle d'informatique est excellente. The computer room is excellent, okay? I just want you to highlight as well. Autre mot ici. I want you to say dur. Dur here means it is hard. Okay? Bien. Is it okay? So that's the first ones we've got there. Okay, dur. And this one, bien. Okay, so we're gonna have a look now at Isabelle. Okay, so mon collège est en banlieue. Okay, so her school is. I'm just going to zoom this a wee bit. Okay, so she says mon collège est en banlieue. So first thing I want you to know, banlieue. Banlieue is the suburbs. Okay, banlieue. Okay, il est près de chez moi. It is close to my house. Okay, I want you to. Wait, I want you to answer Jean prompt. Jean prompt means I borrow. J'emprunte des livres, so I borrow books. Okay, just make a note of that there, okay? Bien sûr. Also want you to make a note of the verb bavarder. We've said bavarder is an autre mot pour dire parler, to talk. And so that all looks okay. Bien parfait. Okay. Oh, sorry. One last word. Un grand établissement is another way of saying bâtiment is a big building. Okay, it's a big. Okay, so there's a big building. Okay, so two more things. Remember, en collège is like a secondary school before you do le brevet, before you do your junior cert. So it's like your junior cert school, and then if you're going to do your back, your leaving cert, you go to lycée. So this is like kind of your leaving cert school. Okay, so it's super excellent. Okay, super. Yeah. Okay, so that's all the key vocab there. Last one we have a look is Omar. Okay, so he says je vais dans un collège qui est situé à la campagne. So school in the middle of the countryside. Okay. The first one I want you to know is pensionnat. If you're a pensionnat, means that you are like a boarder. Okay, it's like you stay in the school. Okay. Je here he says je prends tous mes repas. So I take all my meals. And the repas here is meals. Okay. Au collège, so he takes all his meals au collège at school, okay? Et la nuit, j'y reste aussi. So here, the E means there. I stay there too, okay? This E, if you want to translate, just means there. I stay there too. Je rentre chez moi seulement le week-end et pour les vacances. So he says, I come back only at the weekend and pour les vacances for the holidays. Super. I want you to make a note as well. That should be. I want you to hit loin. Je suis loin de ma famille. I am far from my family. Okay? And I want you to highlight two things more. Je me sens seul. I feel alone. Je me sens seul. I feel alone la plupart du temps, the majority of the time. Okay? So je me sens seul la plupart du temps. Okay? Whenever you've got that done, I want you to try these two questions as well. I want you to fill in like le tableau, the location of school, okay, the facilities, and I want you to as well put the questions, répondre aux questions suivantes. So who likes to read? Who likes swimming? Who eats in the canteen? Who goes home for lunch? Who feels lonely most time? Who has class on Saturdays? Okay, so what I want you to do is, first thing I want you to do is I want you just to maybe send the answer to these questions in a Google Doc. You can take a picture of them, preferably in a Google Doc. Okay, don't worry about this. Just note the vocab in your copy. Okay, and then the other thing I want you to do then is I want you to fill in the blue box here, just fill it in, okay, or you can put it on a Google Doc, and then answer those little questions as well. Is that okay? Merci beaucoup, les filles, okay?